Hallo, guten Abend. I'm making this video to explain you the blueprint of your periodic test 2 because this time the blueprint is little bit complex. You are feeling like it is complex but it is not. So I will explain you and you will be able to understand. Question number 1. Lies den folgenden Text und beantworte die Fragen. You have to read the paragraph and then you have to answer the questions with richtig und falsch. Richtig oder falsch. Richtig falsch means true or false. Question number 2. In this question also you have to read the paragraph and you have to answer the questions. But in this question you don't have to answer in one word. You have to give answer with complete sentence. It can be one sentence or two sentences. Section B, schreiben. Question number 3. Email. In your worksheet, I have given you 2 emails. Solve both of the emails because I'll check your notebook with both the emails. And this is for practice only. Question number 4. In this question, you have to write 5 or 6 sentences. In your exam you will get one topic from your book. So for the practice I have given you 2 topics here. Dein Tagesablauf. Tagesablauf means your daily routine. Und mein Lieblingslehrer oder Lehrerin. My favorite teacher, female teacher or male teacher. You have to write the topic, you have to complete topic on both the words like dein Tagesablauf und mein Lieblingslehrer oder Lehrerin. Question number 5a. Sätze bilden, Verben. In this question, you will get verbs in infinitive form and you have to make sentences, but it is not necessary that you will make sentences with infinitive verbs. For an example, in your exam, if you get a verb like fahren, so fahren is given in infinitive because en is given at the end. So what you can do is you can conjugate this verb and you can make the sentences with other subjects also. Like if you want to use fahren with ich, so ich fahre nach Deutschland. I'll go to Germany. So if you want to change the conjugation with the subject, you can do it. Question number 5b. Ergänzen Sie die Verben. Fill in the blanks. In these blanks you have to fill the verbs. Again, you have to check the conjugation of verbs and then fill it according to the subject. Do not fill it as it is, that you found the verb in the question that yes, this suits the sentence, and then you fill it as it is. No, you cannot. You have to check the conjugation, then fill it. Question number 6, negation, nicht oder kein. In your syllabus, kein is given with nominative and accusative both. So in both the structures, check the table. In your notebook, you have written every table, like your bestimmt article table, your unbestimmt and negation table also. So in this, when do we use nicht and when do we use kein? When we have to write not with any noun, then we use kein ki conjugation. And if we want to use not at other places apart from noun, then we use nicht. Like with adjective, adverb, anywhere, then we use nicht. Kein will be used only at one place, that is to negate any noun. For example, das Wohnzimmer ist dash sehr groß. Sehr groß, very big. It is adjective, so we will use here nicht. Das Wohnzimmer ist nicht sehr groß. Brauchst du dash Spitzer? Now Spitzer is a noun, so we will use the conjugation of kein here, not nicht. and the meaning of both the words are not. Nicht, kein. Both the meaning for both the words are not. Question number 7. Fill the Lucan aus. Frage wie unter. You have to fill the blank of the sentence with question word. Was, wie, wann. In your syllabus, only 3 question words are given. Was, wie, wann. Was matlab what? Wie matlab how. Wann is when. So you have to read the sentence and you have to check which word suits which sentence, and then you have to fill it. Question number 8. Personal pronomen. See, personal pronomen in your syllabus, nominative and accusative both are given. So what you have to do is, nominative sentence is very simple because the subjects you use with each and every verb to conjugate. For an example, ish, do, sz, wir, ihr, and z. All these subjects are nominative personal pronoun also. But for accusative, you will have to learn the personal pronouns. So accusative personal pronouns, you can make the sentences with nominative, and with accusative, read and learn all the personal pronouns of accusative, make sentences with each and every personal pronoun, and you should have this in your mind so that you can make it in your exam. In your exam, all the personal pronouns will not be given, but if you make one sentence from each personal pronoun for preparation, then in exam, whatever word or personal pronoun you will get, you can make the sentence easily. Question number 8b. Ergänzen Sie die personal pronoun. In this question, personal pronouns you have to fill yourself. Maybe options will be given, options will not be given. If options will not be given, you will have to think yourself which personal pronoun you have to fill here. And yes, you will also have to check whether the sentence is nominative or accusative. If the sentence is nominative, then you will have to fill nominative personal pronoun, and if the sentence is accusative, then you will have to fill personal pronoun accusative. Question number 9. Bestimmt article, nominative and accusative both. You have to learn the table of nominative and accusative for bestimmt article, and then you have to read the sentence and then you have to fill the article. So for that, first of all, you have to read the sentence. You have to check whether the sentence is nominative or accusative. If the sentence is nominative, then what is the noun? I mean, the noun is masculine, feminine, or neutral. If the noun is masculine, then you have to fill there. If feminine, then the. If neutral, then das. And if it is plural, then again the. And if sentence is accusative, then in that case you will have to check the noun, whether the noun is masculine, feminine, neutral, or plural. If the word is masculine, then in accusative, masculine will be there. Then. Because there will change to then. And rest of all the articles will be same as nominative. Okay? Question number 10. Stellfragen. In Stellfragen, you have to make questions. Answers will be given, you have to make questions. And one thing I always tell you, that if the answers are given, first of all, check the answers, that answers are given with yes, no, or not. If the answers are given with yes, it means ja oder nein, it means you have to start the question with verb. If the answers are given in a simple way like ich fahre nach Deutschland, ich suche sie, so if the subject is given at the first place, it means you have to make the question with question word. Question word, W-Frage, W family. It means wo, was, wie lange, wie bleibst du. Question number 11. Antworten Sie frei. Antworten Sie frei. Frei means free. Questions will be given. You have to answer with your own will. Whatever you want, you can answer it for that question. For an example, if it is given, when do you go for your coaching classes? So answer will be answer will vary for each and every student. If one student is going to the coaching classes at 4 o'clock, he will write or she will write at 4 o'clock. And if another student is going at 5 o'clock, he or she will write 5 o'clock. Question number 12. Ergänze Uhr oder Stunde. Uhr oder Stunde. I taught you difference between Uhr oder Stunde. Uhr. I go to my German class at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 Uhr. Fine. And I will learn German every day only for 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 Stunden. Stunde matlab ghante, hours. That is the difference. Question number 13, was passt zusammen? That is matching. Question number 14, ergänze oder am. When do we use preposition? We use when we have to use at with time. For an example, I will sleep at 10 o'clock. So 10, at 10. At will be With time we use and with date and day. For an example, my birthday comes on, then date. So will be used here. And my birthday comes on Monday every year. So on, again that is the difference. At and on is the difference between and Question number 15, schreib die Sätze richtig. So in question number 15, it is jumbled sentence. In jumbled sentence, many students makes the mistake. What kind of mistake? First of all, what you have to do is at the end of the sentence, check whether the question mark is given or not. If the question mark is given, then you have to check ki W Frage is given in the sentence or not. If W Frage is given, it means you have to make the question with W word. That is simple. But if the question word is not given, then what we have to do? Then you will make the question by placing the verb at the first place. For an example, in English, there is a question. Where are you going? W question, W Frage. But if I say, are you going somewhere? Then are is a helping verb. Are is placed at the first place. In the same way, in German also, if we are not given with any W question, W Frage, then we have to make the question by placing the verb at the first place. But yes, for that you have to check the question mark at the end. If the question mark is given, then. If not, then. If the full stop is given, that the sentence is simple. First of all, you have to place the subject, then verb, and then the object, and then rest of all the sentences. Then section D, word charts, vocabulary. In this question, you will get one paragraph, and this question is for 5 marks. In your blueprint, it is given with 5 marks. So 5 blanks you will get, and the options you will get. You have to choose the options, you have to fill it in the paragraph. Then question number 17. Question number 17 is for time. Official time and unofficial time. As you know that official time is very simple to learn, but unofficial time is little bit complex. So in this worksheet, I have given you official and unofficial timing. All are little bit different. All are from different categories. So if you practice all these times, you'll be able to revise all the categories. Fine. And now I have explained you the blueprint. Now what you have to do, solve the worksheet, park your questions. If you have any doubt, send me all the doubts together. Do not send me one question at a time. Solve the worksheet, the complete worksheet. Keep writing the doubts, and at the end of the worksheet, send me all the questions together so that I can take one online class and then solve your questions before the exam. Okay?